In the meantime, Acting Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of crime, Fitz says the incident represents a dark day for the Jamaica Constabulary force and the country at large.
Because as law enforcement officers, we have a responsibility to uphold the law, to protect the citizens, and when we now become the assailant, the question is, to whom do the citizens turn? So as an organization, we have to put mechanism in place, and I think our commissioner is determined to ensure that that is done. Mechanism in place to prevent another situation like this.
Mr. Bailey says the force will have to make some hard decisions, and the police commissioner will be making a statement on the matter. As the nation awaits that statement, the Commissioner of Indicom, Terrence Williams, maintains that police personnel on the investigation for shootings will have to be kept off frontline duties.
A second thing is the need for us to have a national use of force guidance coming from the executive, that is from Parliament or from the minister, to say to our security forces, here's how you should use force, here are weapons you should use, here is how you should have your membership accountable for use of force. What we have done in the past is that we have allowed the commissioners of police to make their own rules, but this requires a national policy.
Both men were speaking with Dion Jackson Miller on RJR's Beyond the Headlines.